Hey, hello guys, this is SRINIVAStheDEVELOPER from the Developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of September 4th, 2021. Here this is the problem they have given, find time stopwatch. So in this stopwatch they have only one button. If they have tapped the button twice, the stopwatch will stop. If they have tapped the button single time, the stopwatch will start continuing the time. So we just need to print -1 if the stopwatch is running. So if the stopwatch is stopped, we just need to calculate the time interval between 2 points. Like here they have given 2 points as 8 and 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4, right? So the output is 4. Here this is in a odd count. So the stopwatch is still running. So we just need to print -1. Here the n value is 4. So it's a even count. So we just need to calculate the time points. 3 minus 0 will give you 3. And 87 minus 74 will give you the value of 13. So if we add the both value, obviously we will get 16. So let's solve this in a Python programmatical way. Yeah, first this is the input part, n equal to int of input. So since this is a single input, we don't need to do anything. The int will take care of everything. Now it's time to get our time limits, right? Time stamps. Actually, if the input is R, we can directly print -1. We don't have to get the input. If n modulo 2 print -1, else get the timestamps, uncheck the values. Timestamp equal to a list which contains space separated integer value. So I'm extracting all those values using my map method, typecasting into int input dot split. So now we got the timestamps. Now we just need to what compare two timestamps, and we just need to add the values, right? For that I need a variable called time equal to 0 by default for I in range of 0 to n minus 1, comma, with the updation 2. So we just need to add the time with the difference between two timestamps, right? L of I plus 1 minus L of I. So it will give me the time of 1 minus 0, and with the incrementation of 2 it will go to this one, it will skip this, and we will get 3 minus 2, like that. Finally we can add all those values and print the time, right? Print time. So if I save and run this program, we will get first 2, and the values is 8 and 12. Now we got L is not defined because I have never defined the value L. This should be timestamp. The name I have given for my list is timestamp, but I have used L as a palakadosam. So if I give the value, we got 4. So let me run this for some other input, 5. We are not even getting the input, right? Because if the n value is odd, we just need to print -1, no matter what are the given inputs. So let me give the value for 4. Since it's a even number, it asking for input, and the input is nothing but 0, 3, 74, 87, I guess. Yeah, my memory power is great. 0, 3, 74, 87. So now we got 16. That's it guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for review. Hope we will meet with soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.